I never saw a town where I threw them races down. Didn't know the lonesome sound of a midnight train, the kind that calls my name. I was born to play the game, even if it's all in vain. Call me what you want. I'm bound to tell the truth the way that gamblers rarely do. They'll be tying up your noose and calling you friend. If it was up to me, like the bluebird, you'd be free. Though his life ain't what it seems, if you catch my drift.